In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your wallet to Sol Incinerator. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to the top left and select on this button over here that does say connect wallet. Then from here, you need to connect a wallet on Solana to continue. So we have many great options. We have Phantom Wallet, BitGet Wallet, MetaMask, or even Solflare. So for this video, I'm going to go ahead and use MetaMask. So I'm just going to select on that. Then it is going to open up a pop-up that does look like this. So I'm just going to go ahead and press on continue, and then it is going to open up another tab just like so, and it is basically going to connect the two. And basically you need to go ahead and press on this button over here that does say connect. Then it's going to open up MetaMask, then go ahead and just press on connect one more time. And then as you're able to tell, our wallet is now officially connected. So this is just an example wallet that I use for the tutorial, but if your wallet has like Solana, then it will appear over here, and you can even go ahead and claim some free Solana as well whenever you do link your wallet to Sol Incinerator. So that's honestly pretty cool if I do say so myself. But from here, you guys can go ahead and start doing everything you need to do on Sol Incinerator. We got tokens, NFTs, CNFTs, and domains as well. So there's a lot of great options. And at any point in time, you guys could go ahead and disconnect your wallet just like so, or you can even go ahead and change the wallet or copy the wallet address. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.